Join me as I challenge myself to build an emergency fund from scratch in just 30 days. Having an emergency fund is like having a financial safety net that gives you peace of mind. It's a pool of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills, so you don't have to go into debt. Think about it. Life is unpredictable, and we all know that unexpected things can happen at any moment. One of the biggest hurdles people face when trying to build an emergency fund is limited income. Many of us live paycheck to paycheck, making it tough to save. Then there are unexpected expenses that pop up and blow our budgets to bits. And let's not forget about the lack of knowledge on how to manage our finances effectively. It's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure of where to start. Limited income is a significant challenge because it means there's often not enough money left over for savings. When you're barely covering your essential expenses, saving for an emergency fund seems like an impossible task. But understanding that every little bit counts can be a good starting point. Even small amounts can add up over time. Unexpected expenses are another major obstacle. Car repairs, medical emergencies, or even a sudden job loss can derail your savings plan. These unexpected costs can be stressful and often lead to debt. The key is to anticipate that these expenses will happen and plan accordingly. Lack of knowledge about personal finance and budgeting can also hinder our ability to save. Many of us weren't taught how to manage money effectively, leading to poor financial decisions. But there's a wealth of information out there to help you learn and improve your financial literacy. So how do we build an emergency fund quickly? It starts with budgeting. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Make a budget that prioritizes savings. Automating your savings can also help. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you'll ensure you save a portion of your income regularly without having to think about it. Increasing your income through side hustles can also accelerate your savings. Consider freelancing, part-time jobs, or selling items you no longer need. The extra income can be directed straight into your emergency fund. The 50-30-20 rule is a great strategy to consider. Allocate 50% of your income to essential expenses, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to saving and debt repayment. This rule helps you prioritize saving and ensures you're living within your means. Using high-yield savings accounts can also be a smart move. These accounts offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, so your emergency fund grows faster over time. It's a simple switch that can make a big difference. Incorporating these strategies into your daily life can significantly accelerate your savings. By budgeting, automating savings, increasing income, following the 50-30-20 rule, and using high-yield savings accounts, you can build an emergency fund in no time. To recap, building an emergency fund requires commitment and smart planning, but it's definitely achievable. Start by understanding your financial situation, making a plan, and taking consistent action. If you've had experiences with saving for an emergency fund, I'd love to hear about them. Leave a comment below and share your tips. Also, check out my video on budgeting for more tips to help you manage your finances effectively.